Alrighty guys, we're here at Menards here in Hudson, Wisconsin. And look what we have here. We have another Schumacher. Yes, what's going on? I hope this thing does not run like... Here we go up to 2. I do not like the door controls are like that. Ugh. Let's go up to 2. It's a nice cab, although they could use a little cleaning. I'd say, I'll say most of them Menards elevators. And here we are at 2. Good, does not lose me out. There's the indicator. Capacity 4,500. Schumacher. Very satisfying buttons. But yeah, we're getting the video here. No. Schumacher. And there goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.